If you're looking for the Amazon Prime 30-day free trial, before you click on that, there's a link in the description where you can get up to 6 months free of Amazon Prime if you qualify. If you don't, then you just get the 30-day free trial, or there's also a discounted rate for up to 50% off Amazon Prime. I'm going to cover all of that right now. So when you click that link, it's going to take you to either this page where it says you can get a free 30-day trial, or there's also this free 6-month trial for $0 if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student. That's Amazon Prime for young adults, or formerly Amazon Prime Student. And there's a lot of exclusive offers with this. You also get 5% cash back. You get $0 food deliveries. You get Prime Video as well. If you scroll down, you'll see the different plan options for the price after the trial. And you get 6 months free, but you also get like 50% off after the trial. Now, if you're not eligible for that, then you'll click this, not 18 to 24 years old, and you actually get a free 30-day trial. But if you are eligible for the assisted trial or Prime Access, if you're receiving government assistance or you qualify other ways, you can actually get Prime for up to 50% off as well, so $6.99 per month. And so you can click on that plan here at the bottom and try Prime Access for up to 30 days. But then the Prime Annual and monthly memberships are down here, and you get a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime through that. So whether you're looking for that 6-month free trial, and maybe you didn't even know that 6 months was available to you, you can get that if you're between 18 and 24, or if you're a student. But there's also the 30-day free trial and the discounted Prime Access membership. Links for those are in the description down below. And that's how you can get Amazon Prime free for 30 days or for 6 months if you qualify.